Keith Perhac here. As the founder of SegMetrics, I do love me some data. Data is knowledge. Knowledge is power. A lot of people run their businesses on hunches and hustle and never use a tool like SegMetrics to find out what it actually is and isn't working in their business. But once you do finally unlock full funnel, cross-platform, single source of truth data for your business, take a breath. Congratulations, you now have an advantage over most of your competition. Now, you only track what you're willing to make a business decision about. Even with better analytics, there will always be more data than you can meaningfully use. Just as you can get bogged down from too little data, you can get bogged down from too much data. This is much less common, but keeping your eye on the critical KPIs and reports for your business gives you more time and energy to focus on improving them. Better data also makes it easier to focus. Once you know where to optimize your marketing efforts, you can dial up your data tracking on the important parts of your marketing funnel and dial it down on the parts that aren't important or don't need your immediate attention. The key here is control. The right analytics platform will empower you to make the most of your data. Does your data make it easier to focus on what matters in your business or harder? Find the answer at segmetrics.com.